Hello dear, how are you? I think all you are fine and I hope so. All you are doing the best. Dear, you know that just my motto, everybody know the AI. In those who are doing the business, those who are doing the job, and those who are in education field, teacher, educator, content creator, how they will use the ChatGPT or other AI platform, other AI application. I will tell you how you will use in your job, in your business, and how you will develop anything step by step. So today my main motto, how you will generate a question paper within a second. You know that previously when we have to generate a question paper it takes long time, but within a minute I will show generate a question paper of any, like 11 12, like NEET JEE or any engineering subject, any subject you can generate question paper within a minute. Let's start. Like simple prompt I'm not going to give. Prompt already I have chosen. Okay, now you will ask how I got the prompt. Best technique for you, just to tell the ChatGPT. Okay, tell the ChatGPT I want best prompt to generate NEET standard level question. Okay, question. I want the best prompt to generate NEET standard level question. So my AI agent will generate. Here give me best prompt. And NEET, it should follow NTA norms. Like you know what is the 180 question, 720 marks. One correct answer means 4 marks. Wrong answer -1 marks. You see that what? Yeah, master prompt you got, correct? Physics, chemistry, biology, content, geology, botany. Okay, NEET level. Now you got the prompt. Okay, dear. Example is physics first. Example 2 by biology, full mock test. Okay. Now I copy this prompt. Now same prompt I will use in the ChatGPT. Again I am going to explain you. You will ask the ChatGPT, I want the best prompt. Same prompt you will give the ChatGPT. Who is my agent here? AI agent, ChatGPT. Come to the next chat here. Yes. Now some insert here, like you can delete. Okay. And you will mention I want full length question paper. It include all subject like PCB. Correct? Now, and finally in PDF. You see there what happens. Step by step. Okay? Don't be impatient. Think and go. How you will think, I will teach you. You have to be the creative. And so easy. I will teach you how to in the education field, whatever work is there, I will teach you. In the those who are doing the business, I will also teach you. Those who are doing the job, I will also teach you how they will use this application, how can develop anything with the help of the AI ChatGPT. Already within a second he created. Now I am going to downloaded. Now come. See there. We got. So within a second we got a question paper. Within a second, okay, we got a question paper. This is the sample question paper. Okay, but problem is there. Only sample question paper. Suppose we want all 180 question. Now you can write I want all 180 questions NEET. Just write. Taking a little time, but he will generate. Correct. But you see that how you see the sample. Okay. So same way he will generate everything. Okay. Actually, when you are giving the prompt, you have to be careful. Some dot is there, you have to delete. Okay. So what I have done. So today what we learn, we have to ask the ChatGPT. I want the best prompt because initially I told garbage in, garbage out, best in, best out, professional in, professional out. How the data you will prompt you will give, according to you will get the result. Okay, so it is taking little time. Just wait. There other AI applications are there. I will also teach you like Gemini, DeepSeek, Q, Grok, other, and ChatGPT. Overall, basic is the best for the educator. Okay, for when you come to the development field, other application I will go. Okay, but for the educator, ChatGPT overall good. Little time taking. I show you. I have already generated that other question paper today. See this. I want all 80 NEET question, NEET UG full length, total 180. He given. Okay. His in text format he is going to give, but you want in and he gives the answer key also. But you have to copy and paste. It takes time. Now you tell ChatGPT, I want in PDF. I want in PDF, so I can share my student. Okay. Yeah. Generating simple. Okay. PDF. Now he generated this all question he generated in PDF. Now you can directly share. Okay, so easy. I have downloaded. I show you. See this. Okay, like best total 180 question, total marks 720. This chemistry, biology, NTA, UG. Okay, see that. So today this one all you take care dear. So see you the next session. In next session I will teach you other for the educator. Okay, like content creation, like notes generation. I will teach you, and how to make animated PPT. I will teach you. Bye. Good night. Take care.